सर अलिकति
हाइट त सर्को
अलिकति पञ्चकन्या उता लाने कि पञ्चकन्या अलिक बिचमा भएन कि थोरै
आफ्नो थिएँ चाहिँ भनिदिनु हामी माथि बसेको पनि भनिदिनु है भन्नुहुन्थ्यो मन्जु म्याम र बिन्ता म्याम भन्नुभएको
ओ शिट सबैले कहाँ
प्रकाश सर त्यसै हाल्छ फोटोमा यसो गर्नु नि त ध्यान दिनु अनि बुढो भएपछि फोटो राम्रो
यिनीहरूलाई जाडो हुन्छ भनेर खोल्नै दिएन त्यो पछि लाउँछु भनेर
क्यामेरामा अब एक स्टेप तलमा बनायो नबस उप कसरी झन् यता हेर अगाडि अलि अगाडि हो कसरी कसले गऱ्यो तिमी कसरी ready?
Smile.
On the camera, ready? Smile please. Ready? Little bit smile. Ma'am, attention.
Good morning to everyone. Most of the faces that I can see right now are very familiar faces because I have seen them all every day in this school. While they are taking their children to the school and while they are taking back their children from the school. Still, it is a very joyful and a very special moment to see all our parents together in this special moment. I'd like to welcome all our parents, guests, and every respectable people for our special program of our school. This is our 18th annual Parents' Day as well as farewell program to the SEE Batch 14 2073. Once again, I'd like to welcome all the people who are present in this program. First of all, I'd like to apologize because we have delayed a little in our program because of some problems, but still we are on the time. Since we have started our formal program right now, so I'd like to request to take the seat of the chairperson of the function. So I'd like to request Mr. Shankar Pradhan, the chairperson of our school management committee, to take the seat of the chairperson. And I'd like to request to give me the permission to continue the program. Mr. Chairperson, I'd like to request for the permission. I've got the permission from our chairperson, so I'd like to proceed. Now I'd like to request our distinguished guest, our chief guest and other people to take the seat. First of all, I'd like to request Mrs. Helena Lilja, the treasurer of the Project Nepal Lille Sweden, to take the seat as the chief guest of this ceremony. Similarly, I'd like to request Mrs. Anne-Marie Lindström, who is a representative from the Project Nepal Lille Sweden, to take the seat as the guest. Mr. Mats Lilja, another representative from the Sweden, I'd like to request to take the seat as the guest. Furthermore, Miss Josephine Lindhag. So I'd like to request to take the seat as the guest. Miss Sophia Lilja, please honor us being our guest today. And Mr. Patrick Lilja, one of the members of the Project Nepal Sweden, I'd like to request to be the guest of today's program. Similarly, we have some more special guests today. So I'd like to request Mr. Prakash Samkota, District Education Officer. I think he is on the way to be the part of our program. And whenever he appears in our program, I like to request, I request again. Now, principals of our reputed schools, I like to request him to be the guest of today. Similarly, Mr. Nandakaji Shrestha, the former principal, I like to request him to be the guest today. Mr. Chandra Prakash Shrestha, principal of Andhapura Higher Secondary School, and it seems that he is on the way to be the part of our school. I'm sorry, he is with us. And similarly, Mr. Kaya Bahadur Nepali. So I'd like to request him to be the guest today. And Mr. Badri Prasad Shrestha, the member of the school management committee, to be the part of this function as the guest. Now I'd like to request our colleagues, Ms. Sunita Shrestha and Sangeeta Shrestha, to distribute the badges to our chief guest, chairperson, chief guest.
Jangan malah itu kali. Kan wal pasari kan.
खुशी बाँड्ने अझै अमर This for you, अझै अमर This for you, this for you, this for you, this for you.
All of us, we are in a very special moment. This is our Parents' Day, and this program is totally dedicated to our parents. We have supported us all the time with their love and support, and they have coordinated for the school's activities all the time. Whatever they have learned in the school, in different curricular, extracurricular activities. There are many things to tell all the. Since this is a special moment which comes once every year, all the children, they are ready to entertain all the parents. And I'd like to thank our two colleagues, Ms. Sunita Nakarmi and Sangeeta Shrestha, for the best distribution. Now I like the inauguration of the function formally, so I like to request our chief guest to inaugurate our program by lighting the panas. I'd like to thank Aarti on the program today. So it is the next moment we'll share together with national anthems of two countries, Nepal and Sweden. That is our tradition. We start our programs with national anthem and making the prayer to the Lords. So I'd like to request the bhajan choir to be ready because the next program after the national anthem would be the bhajan. So I'd like to request once again. सबैजनालाई आफ्नो आसनबाट उठेर राष्ट्रिय गानप्रति श्रद्धा अर्पण गरिदिनु अनुरोध गर्दछु।
झन्डा उल्टो भयो स्विटी झन्डा उल्टो भयो स्विटी झन्डा उल्टो भयो
नाम सुंदर नाम तिमी राम्रो भयो भने देशै राम्रो हुन्छ नेपाल अझै ठुलो हुन्छ तिमी बढेपछि हिमाल अझै अग्लो हुन्छ तिमी चढेपछि स्वर्गभन्दा ठुलो हुन्छ आफ्नो मातृभूमि बुझिरह सम्झिरह आजैदेखि तिमी धन्यवाद
स्वागतको मन्तव्यको स्वागतको क्रममा छौँ हामी माफ गर्नुहोला मन्तव्य उच्चारण गरेछु अब हाम्रो भाइ बहिनीहरूले एउटा स्वागत गीत प्रस्तुत गर्नुहुँदैछ र यो गीत विशेष गरेर यहाँहरू सबैका लागि नै समर्पित छ
Namaste and a very good afternoon to all parents, guests, respected teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friends. We are pleased to be the active part of the function. Personally, I am very happy. My pleasure was added when I got a chance to announce this special song just prepared to welcome all of you. Let me invite our brothers and sisters to sing a beautiful welcome song for you. Thank you and have a great day.
We welcome me, Karan Kesi from grade 3. Today I am here to sing a rhyme. That topic is Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep.